The state of Georgia reporting 170 coronavirus deaths just in the last 24 hours. That is a single-day high for our state. During that same time period, Georgia also reported nearly 5,000 new cases. And as those case numbers continue to go up, the state's vaccination rates, those are also rising. Georgia more than doubled the number of COVID vaccines administered for a second straight week. The Department of Public Health reported that 423,011 vaccines were administered during the past week. Still, many over the age of 65, they are having trouble getting the vaccine. CBS 46's Adam Murphy. He's live at a vaccination site in Doraville with the very latest on this one. And Adam, we just heard Stacey Abrams mention she is disappointed that not enough Georgians are getting the vaccine in a timely manner.
That's exactly right, Tracy. We've heard from a lot of Georgians and Metro Atlantans that are really concerned about this exact same issue. I'm live here in the parking lot of the BrandsMart in Doraville. You'll see the tents behind me. This is a vaccination site set up by DeKalb County. It is closed now, but there has been a steady flow of people coming throughout the day. Still, as I mentioned, many are frustrated with the state's management of this process. More than a month after the COVID-19 vaccine arrived in Georgia, many are beyond frustrated with the state's management of the process.
I just think that there's just a lack of overall information out there.
It's a similar scenario in many places across the country. In fact, in the state of Washington, the governor has turned to two major corporations based in Seattle for help with streamlining the process.
We have confidence that we can bring vaccines to everyone faster because of this initiative.
Microsoft President Brad Smith said his company will assist the state with technology support and offer their campus as a mass vaccination site in the future. In addition, Starbucks will be working on vaccine to customer logistics as well as communications with a goal of vaccinating 45,000 people a day.
Now, we are not a healthcare company, but Starbucks does operate 33,000 stores at scale, serving 100 million customers a week. And we have a world-class team of human-centered design engineers who are working under the direction of the state.
Back in Georgia, Governor Kemp recognizes the challenges and said the troubles stem from a lack of vaccine supply provided by the federal government. Still, no word on whether he will consider a public-private partnership with some of our state's major corporations. And breaking right now, I just received some information from the governor's office. The governor's office saying, quote, "We have several private partners such as Publix, Kroger, CVS, and Walgreens, and we are exploring other potential businesses we can work with to get more Georgians vaccinated." Now, the governor goes on to say that he stands ready and willing to deploy all state resources to make sure that everyone has access to this life-saving vaccine. That is brand new information that just came in moments ago. We'll continue to look into this particular issue a little bit more next hour with a lot of people that have been vaccinated by Kroger that say they can't get their second dose. That part of the story next hour. Live in Doraville, Adam Murphy, CBS 46 News.